Hey everyone, it's Natya. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm sharing with you all a vlog and I'm taking you to Athirappili's waterfall. So let's go. We saw all these trees on the way and all of these trees are rubber trees. And now you have to start walking. So yes, walk, walk. This is the view which you will see while walking. And this is the view up close. So yeah, enjoy it. Picture time. All wait now. Continue to walk. And this is what you see from up. I walked down and yeah, there were many monkeys waiting there. This vlog is part of the activities which I did here, and there are many more parts coming. So if you don't want to miss them, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and click on the bell button to get notifications. I wish you a very happy new year, and I will see you all in my next video now. Bye.